Welcome to Dr. NGP Arts and Science College, where we prepare you for the future. Do you know full stack developers are among the highest paid in 2024? Yes, they are the backbone of web development, handling both front-end and back-end tasks. As cybersecurity experts, we protect organizations from digital threats. With cyber attacks on the rise, this role is crucial and highly rewarding. IT project managers are the leaders who ensure that projects are delivered on time and within budgets. Their strategic skills are indispensable and well compensated.
UI and UX designers create intuitive and engaging user experiences. Their creativity and attention to detail are high in demand, making it a top-paying job in the tech industry. Software architects design complex systems and ensure they run smoothly. Their expertise is essential for large-scale projects and they are highly compensated for their skills. At Dr. NGP Arts and Science College, we prepare you for these exciting and lucrative careers. Your future starts here.